Impact loads versus fatigue loads in bridge design. Welcome to Blueprint to Reality, where we break down complex engineering concepts into easy-to-understand explanations. Today, we'll explore two crucial factors in bridge design: impact loads and fatigue loads, and how they affect the durability and safety of bridges. These forces influence structural integrity over time, making them critical considerations in engineering. Definition of impact loads. An impact load is a sudden and intense force applied to a structure within a very short period. Unlike static loads that remain constant, impact loads occur due to rapid motion or sudden contact, leading to high stress concentrations. In bridge engineering, impact loads are typically caused by moving vehicles and trains. When a vehicle drives over a bridge expansion joint or a pothole, it generates a sudden impact force. Collisions. If a ship, truck, or barge crashes into a bridge pier, it creates a significant impact load. Dynamic forces from earthquakes and explosions. These events create rapid force fluctuations, impacting the bridge's stability. Because impact loads occur in a fraction of a second, they can induce shock waves that travel through the bridge structure, potentially leading to cracking, deformation, or even failure if the bridge is not properly designed to withstand such forces. Definition of fatigue loads. A fatigue load refers to repeated stress cycles that occur over an extended period, gradually weakening a structure. Even if each load is relatively small, continuous repetition leads to microcracks and material degradation, eventually causing failure. In bridges, fatigue loads result from repeated traffic loads. Cars, trucks, and trains pass over a bridge thousands of times per day, constantly applying stress to structural elements. Wind and environmental effects. Continuous wind pressure and temperature fluctuations cause expansion and contraction, contributing to fatigue. Vibrations from railway bridges. The constant movement of trains induces cyclic stress on steel bridge components. Fatigue failure is often gradual and invisible until a critical point is reached, making regular inspection and maintenance essential to preventing catastrophic failure. Effect on structural behavior. The way a bridge responds to impact and fatigue loads depends on its material properties and design. Impact loads create instantaneous stress peaks that can cause brittle fractures in concrete or steel if not properly reinforced. Bridges must be designed to absorb and dissipate impact energy to prevent sudden failure. Fatigue loads lead to cumulative damage, gradually reducing a material's strength over time. Unlike impact loads, which cause immediate effects, fatigue-related cracks develop slowly but can lead to sudden collapse if left unchecked. Engineers use high-strength materials and reinforcement techniques to manage these effects, ensuring bridges remain safe throughout their service life. Stress distribution and failure risks. Both load types pose distinct risks in bridge structures. Impact loads create localized stress concentrations, especially in areas where vehicles first contact the bridge deck or where collisions occur. If these stresses exceed the material's capacity, they can cause cracking or fracture. Fatigue loads generate widespread, long-term weakening, particularly in welded connections, joints, and steel elements that experience repeated cycles of loading and unloading. Over time, these areas become weak points prone to failure. To mitigate these risks, engineers reinforce critical sections of bridges with materials that can absorb impact forces and resist fatigue-induced damage. Design considerations for impact loads. To minimize the effects of impact loads, bridges incorporate various design strategies. Shock-absorbing expansion joints. These joints allow controlled movement, reducing the transmission of sudden forces. Crash barriers and energy-absorbing elements, placed around bridge piers to protect against vehicle or ship collisions. High-performance materials. Reinforced concrete and impact-resistant steel help dissipate sudden forces. Flexible supports. Bearings and dampers absorb impact energy, reducing stress on the bridge structure. For example, in highway overpasses, expansion joints prevent impact loads from transferring stress directly to the bridge deck. Similarly, in railway bridges, vibration dampers minimize the effects of sudden train movement. Design considerations for fatigue loads. Fatigue-related failures are prevented through careful material selection and design techniques. Using fatigue-resistant steel and reinforced concrete, certain materials have better endurance under repeated stress cycles. Reducing stress concentrations, smooth, curved connections instead of sharp corners minimize localized stress buildup. Regular inspections and maintenance. Early detection of cracks prevents small issues from developing into major failures. The optimized structural detailing. Welded joints are designed to avoid stress concentration points, reducing fatigue failure risks. For instance, in long-span steel bridges, engineers carefully design welded connections to prevent cracks from forming over time. Regular non-destructive testing, NDT, is also used to check for internal damage before visible cracks appear. Real-world examples. Both impact and fatigue loads have played major roles in bridge failures throughout history. Impact load example: the I-35W Mississippi River Bridge collapse, 2007, was partially attributed to a sudden failure in a gusset plate exacerbated by impact forces from heavy traffic. Fatigue load example: the Silver Bridge collapse, 1967, was caused by long-term fatigue in a single I-bar link, leading to sudden failure after decades of repeated stress. These disasters highlight the importance of designing bridges to withstand both instantaneous impacts and long-term fatigue effects. Conclusion: bridges must be designed to handle both impact loads and fatigue loads, as each presents unique challenges. Impact loads create immediate stress peaks, requiring materials and design solutions that absorb shock forces. Fatigue loads gradually weaken materials, necessitating proper detailing and regular maintenance to prevent failure. By understanding these forces, engineers can create bridges that remain strong, safe, and durable over their entire lifespan. Thank you for watching Blueprint to Reality. If you found this breakdown insightful, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more in-depth engineering content. See you in the next video.